back to Reviews Plus. Today we are reviewing the full body rugged case with built-in screen protector for the Apple Watch. Now I'm going to do an unboxing of the product and also do an installation of it and tell you some of the advantages and disadvantages that I had while trying out the product. It comes with the user manual, also with spare parts for the bands. It comes with one standard band and 3 extra size bands, different size bands. It also comes with the actual protector, the cover, and it comes with a built-in screen protector as well. You can already see that it's very heavy duty. So this is my Apple Watch, and I'm going to actually install it onto here, and then we're going to try it on and see how it works. The first thing that we need to install is the actual protector. So there's a little slit right here, and that's what we use to open it. Okay, and there's the paper. We remove that. As you can see, that's the protector. And then this is going to go on top of here. So just like that, it fits in perfectly. Okay, I guess not like that. Anyways, and then you would cover it before it falls. Alright. And then, okay, I'm just making sure, I think. Yeah, so you just click it in like that. You'll hear it click, and that's it.
Okay.
So next part, we have to put in the bands. So there's actually a little thing right here, which when you do it, goes inside. So we're gonna put it. Okay, it's in. And then we're gonna do the other one. So I believe my hand is this one, the smaller one. It's actually easier to do it the other way around. So there we go. And there we go. Looks really fine. Yeah. So right now I'm going to charge the Apple Watch just so you can see that it does work through this case. So you don't have to actually remove it every time. They actually do also have a protector on here, so we want to make sure that it does work through it. And then there you go. So it's charging now.
Good.
So now we're gonna try the actual heartbeat and see if it works. So it's measuring. Yep, it works fine. So now we're gonna actually try the ECG levels and see. So see, you have to hold your finger on the crown. So to do that, it actually won't be able to take my ECG levels through the case. So that's one thing that won't work through it.
Yes.
So now I'm gonna try Siri and see if she can actually hear me. And
I'm sorry.
Hey Siri, can you hear me properly?
Yes, how can I help?
Oh great, just testing.
I'm not sure I understand.
Alright. So looks like Siri worked. Now I'm gonna try to actually do a call and see if that works as well. So I have to go back to that. Hey, can you hear me? Can you hear me well? Hi, can you hear me? I'm trying to talk to you through my Apple Watch case.
I can hear you, but it's kind of hard.
I can hear you well, actually. Sorry? I hear you well. It's a bit muffled, though. Yeah. All right, thanks. Bye. So it looks like when I'm calling, it's like the voice in is a little bit muffled and then they can't actually hear me very well. So I guess these are the speakers over here, so it's probably kind of covering it a little bit. So it's not getting the best volume. So now after trying it out, I tried it out before doing this video and then trying it right now with you guys. You can see that there's some advantages and disadvantages of it. Like it really does have, as a protector, it's really well built and has a built-in screen protector, so you don't even need to worry about getting an extra screen or something for this. If you wanted to use this just to protect your actual watch, it would be really good. But if you want to use all the features of it, it's not, I wouldn't recommend it that much just because the sound was very muffled. They also couldn't hear me, and also the ECG levels, if you were tracking that, you wouldn't be able to use that feature on the watch. Now, if you're not going to actually use it as to speak through it, like to actually use it as a phone, then it's perfectly fine. But if you are using it for phone-wise, it's not the best case. There's other options that would be stronger for that. So this is my honest review about this product itself, and if I hope you guys liked the video. Please subscribe and like and follow us on our social medias because we have a lot of more videos coming up.